Have you ever followed a recipe perfectly, yet the taste was worlds apart from someone else's? The secret isn't in the salt, the pepper, or the brand of your oven. The real secret is the frequency transferred from your hands to the food while you cook. Hi, I'm Sana, and today I'm going to show you how your thoughts actually change the molecular structure of your meals. Our bodies and most of our ingredients like fruits, vegetables, and the dough are largely made of water. Dr. Emoto, a Japanese scientist, proved years ago that our words and thoughts change the crystal structure of water. When you cook with anger or stress, you are essentially infusing your food with emotional toxins. But when you touch your food with love and gratitude, you are coding it for health. Think about it. What message are you sending to those molecules when you stir that pot with worry? The good news is we can consciously raise this vibration. Before I start cooking, I always take a few seconds to pause. This is step 1, cleansing the space. Before adding water to my pot, I hold the container between my hands and set an intention. I say to myself, this water carries divine love and healing. I truly believe that living cultures like yeast or sourdough starters can feel that frequency and perform better. Here are 5 powerful affirmations you can keep in your kitchen to raise the frequency of every meal. 1. This food is a source of health and joy for my loved ones. 2. I am mixing love into every ingredient. 3. The abundance of the universe flows through every bite of this meal. 4. My hands are channels for healing energy. 5. Thank you, universe, for these precious ingredients. Cooking is not just a repetitive, boring thing. It's a golden opportunity for meditation and a way to transmit light. When you cook with awareness, not only does the flavor improve, but the heart of whoever eats it feels better too. Have you ever noticed your food gets salty or burns when you're upset? Tell me your experiences in the comments. Do your emotion affect your cooking? If you love this conscious lifestyle, please subscribe so we can raise our life frequency together. Stay mindful, and I'll see you in the next video.